Magandang araw mga katikas. I'm Staff Sergeant Rodel P. Rudil, 902422, Infantry, Philippine Army. Currently assigned at Ismincom Public Information Office. At ngayong araw mga katikas, samahan niyo ako sa aking schooling na Social Media Product Development and Management Training Class 23-2024. Tara mga katikas, samahan niyo akong pasukin ang aming classroom at kilalanin natin ang aking mga classmates. So yun mga katikas, nandito na tayo sa loob ng classroom at nakita ko isa sa classmate ko dito sa aking schooling. What's your rank, name, age, and branch of service?
Hi, I'm Seaman Second Photographer's Mate Ronald L. Villacarlos, 24 years old and proud member of Philippine Navy.
Thank you, Sergeant, and nice to meet you. So yun mga katikas, nakilala nyo yung isa sa classmate kong Philippine Navy at ngayon naman pupunta tayo sa Philippine Air Force. Hi ma'am, good morning. Ma'am, nice to meet you. What's your rank, name, age, and branch of service?
Hi, I'm First Lieutenant Maria Cassandra Ayopan. I'm from the Philippine Air Force and I'm 31 years old.
Thank you, ma'am. Ngayon naman mga atikas, tapos na tayo sa Philippine Navy and Philippine Air Force. Hanap naman tayo ng matikas na Philippine Army. So ayan, mga atikas, nakita tayo ng female army dito. Ito yung isa sa classmate ko at tatanungin natin siya. Hi ma'am, good morning. What's your name, rank, age, and branch of service?
I am Private Jinky Asuncion, 985322 Infantry, Philippine Army, 27 years old from Philippine Army.
Nice to meet you. Good luck.